That's exactly what the fuck you need to do. That's what I'm doing. Shit.
Driving to New Jersey, so.
Yeah, for sure. It's easy. That's easy work. Like, that's nothing. I'm telling you, we gonna be rich there. Like, for real. Like, well, like that little, like even if you made $400 a week there, you're rich. Like, that's what she said. She's like, if you make, yeah. She's like, you like rich if you make $400 a week. No, I'm just saying in general. I'm not saying that's what you're gonna do. You know, who does that? We don't.
This coat was $140. Y'all not about to be messing this up.
Yeah, but I'm G-Baby. But G-Baby, they more happy to have you than you are to have a job, period. Like, that's what she said it is. It's like, just to have somebody that, like, yeah, like, is more appreciated than anything. Thirsty?
Yes, mother.
Yeah, but nah, I seen the. You could see by the ads that they put out that you don't got nothing to worry about. You ain't got nothing to worry about. Trust me. If you was a bum ass nigga, then yeah, but you ain't no bum, so you never got. Yeah.
I'm going to New Jersey, y'all. I feel like that's where it was.
Hell yeah, like with 2 bands, you go up there, little bands, you good, like, to live. You good for like 3 months. I'm just waiting. The lady, I was number 63 on the Section 8 shit, and it was. But I gotta see. I called the lady. I asked her. She said that they doing the leases for January the 1st. So in the next couple weeks, I should be getting some papers in the mail. But like I said, the good thing. No, she didn't say they sent it out. She said I should be hearing from them in the next couple weeks. So I was like, I don't have to find an apartment, because even when I told the girl, my friend that live over there, I was like, yeah, I got accepted for Roosevelt residence, but you know, I don't know what that is because I never been up there and I never lived there. And my friend was like, those new apartments, and I know online it did say brand new apartments. So I'm like, yeah. So she's like, yo, word. She's like, yo, I've been here for 2 years and I didn't get nothing. I don't like going places and not getting nothing from the places that I go, you know. And I'm like, what was you doing for 2 years if you didn't get shit? Because that's all it is to do up there, is get what you could get from them, you know. She's like, oh, I wish I could. She was like, yo, I'm like, but you live there. She texted me tomorrow, oh, call the lady and see if the thing is still open, the list is still open. Bitch, you live there. Why don't you drive over there and see, or call yourself? Like how you live in a town? Yeah. I'm like, how you live? Yeah, you live 5 minutes away, and you got a car. So why you don't? You probably could walk from where you live at, but why wouldn't you just go over there, or just pick up the phone from your bed? Like, she's like, oh, keep hitting me up like, yo, did you call lady? I ain't calling that lady again. I got my shit while I'm calling the lady. Yeah, I'm not doing that. That's what I'm saying. I'm not doing that. I'm not calling a lady in a town that you live in. Like, I could see if you lived in California or some shit, but bitch, I'm not about to be fucking calling somebody that you live. Yeah, or you could physically go there. If I physically live there, I'll be there in that bitch every day, making sure everything is right. The fuck? Word. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Why are you calling me to ask me about something that you got a phone? Like, I don't, that shit is so annoying to me. Like, when people ask me to do stuff that they can do themselves, right?
Wait, babe.
Yeah. Yeah, she just had me up like 5 times. I'm like, miss. Come on, miss. I didn't even respond because it's so stupid. You asked me to do something somewhere where you live, but that you've been living for 2 whole years. Like, what do you, what's up, baby? I didn't even respond. I'm like, whatever. You don't know, then I don't know what to tell you. But
This
you
is
live
very
there,
buttery.
so why are you asking me? What? Yeah, nah, she used to live in Newburgh, and I guess she said because it was cheaper to live, she moved up there. Because she found out about Newburgh, found out it was cheap to live. But Newburgh ain't really cheap like that no more. So then she was like, yeah, I know, I seen the prices on